Hello. How are you? How are you, everyone?
I'm fine.
I'm fine. I'm
Good.
happy.
I'm
I'm great.
good.
It's good to hear. Okay, let's sing a song. What do you want to sing? Do you want to sing I'm Alive
I'm
Alert? Ready?
trying.
No.
Tired, ba?
Yeah.
Okay, guitar is not tired. Let's sing together, guitar. Ready? I'm alive to connect.
Mm.
I'm alive alert.
Alert, awake, enthusiastic.
I'm alert, awake, enthusiastic.
Enthusiastic.
I'm alive,
I'm
alert,
alert, awake. Alert, enthusiastic.
faster. I'm alive, alert,
Alert, awake, enthusiastic. I'm
awake,
alive, alert,
Awake,
awake,
enthusiastic.
I'm alive, alert.
Awake. Awake,
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 awake, enthusiastic.
Okay, so math subject is our last subject for this afternoon, right?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
please prepare your paper or notebook in math and also a ball pen. Okay, we're going to solve some word problems today. Okay, let's start. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So our lesson for today is about
Present word
Present work problems.
okay, percent word problems. So we're going to deal with word problems again. Okay. Warm up. Okay, let's try this. I think you know this one already, but we have to try this one. Okay. What is 70% of 258? What is 70% of 258? Do you know how to get?
Yes.
Okay. Now, look at the screen. What we have here, we have fractions, right? We write it in fraction. We're looking for the x. We're looking for the amount. What we have here is x over 258 equals 70 over 100. So here we have x is our amount. 258 is the base. And 70 is the percent. ใช่ไหม? 70 is the percent. And then over of that is 100. Okay. What we're going to do is to solve this one, we're going to cross multiply. Do you know how to cross multiply? Hello? Okay, so if we're going to cross multiply this one, okay, wait. Current. So when Teacher Mary say cross multiply, you're going to multiply 100 and x, 258 and 70. Shimay?
Yes.
Multiply. Okay, so we're going to write here 100 multiplied by x. So we're going to write here x is equal to, so 258 times 70. Talay.
Wait for
258
me.
times 70. Try this one on your calculator.
Okay.
258 times 70.
18,060.
Okay, so 258 times 70 is 18,060. After that, you are going to divide. Divide 18,060 to 100. 18,060 divided by 100. Talay. 18,060 divided by 100. 18,000.
180.6.
Okay, King Mac. So divided by 100. You know already, right? To move the decimal point going to the left. Example, this one. We're going to move the decimal point going to the left. 1, 2. There are two zeros, right, in the denominator. So we have to move 2 times. Shimay? So our point is here now. 180.6. Okay. That's so easy. Okay. Let's try number 2. Wait. Okay, try number 2. 216 is what percent of 360? Okay, 216 is what percent of 360? Our base here is 360. And our amount here is 216. So we're looking for percent. We're looking for percent. Okay, please write 216, your amount. Ano yan? Amount. And then 360 is our base. Then we're looking for the percent. So you're going to cross multiply that one. Cross multiply. Butterfly method? Joke. No. Cross multiply. Try it on your paper. So amount 216 over 360. Okay, over 100. So 360 p 100 times 216 equals 21,600. 21,600 divided by 360. Divided by 360 equals 60. Okay, what is your answer? What is your answer? What percent? What percent? Did you try it on your paper? Yes or no? Okay, I will show you the answer. 60. Who got the correct answer? 60%. 216 is our amount,ใช่ไหม? 360 is our base because of this word of. Of. Okay, this is our keyword. Of. When we say of, that's the base. Okay, so we're looking for the percent, ใช่ไหม? We're looking for the percent. And then over 100. If you cross multiply, okay, look at this one. 216 cross multiply by 100. ใช่ไหม? 360 cross multiply by P. Okay. So, we're going to write 360 P. 360P is equal to, if you multiply 216 and 100, talay. 216 times 100 equals, hello?
21,600.
Okay, so 21,600. 21,600. The next thing that we're going to do is what? Divide.
Divide.
21,600 divided by, divided by,
160.
okay, 360. So 21,600 divided by 360 equals
60.
60. 60. So the answer is 60%. 60%. So meaning we have here 60. Cat is so noisy. What happened? Okay, so here is 60. Okay. Let's try the next one. Okay, next. 16% of what number is 80? 16% of what number is 80? Can you do that? Okay, 16%. 16 over 100. 80 is our amount, ใช่ไหม?
Sure.
Okay, 80 is our amount. So we're looking for the base. Base inay. What is base, or where is our base? Base alay. I'm looking for the base.
Teacher, I not understand.
Oh, you don't understand?
Yes.
I'll explain it again. Teacher Mary will explain it to you. Okay. Okay. Now look at this one first. What is 70% of 258? So 70%, this one, we're going to write like this, right? 70 over What is over of 70?
100.
Okay. So, when we say of 258, our 258 is our base. Ano nga? Base. So, we're going to write here. Shimay? Base. Okay, wait. This one. Base. So, we're going to write here. Shimay? Base. So, we're looking for the amount. Ani, where is the amount? So, we write here X. We write here X because we're still looking for the amount. To solve that one, we're going to cross multiply. Simay? Cross multiply. 100 times X. Ani ngay? 100 times X. And also, 258 times 70. Okay, wait. I cannot erase it anymore. Okay, let's do it again. So that you can understand. Don't say, wait for a minute. I will explain it to you again. Okay, explain it to you again. Oh, not this one. Wait for a while. Okay. Okay. How to solve this one? We have here amount over base is equal to percent over 100.
100.
Okay, amount over base is equal to percent over 100. So the question here, what is 70% of 258? So percent here is given, right? 70%. Simay, it's given already. Percent is given already, right? And of, when you say of, this is our keyword. When you can see of, that's the base. When you can see of, that is our base. So 100 here is constant na. 100 is always there. And then, so we're looking here for the amount. Taulay. Amount. Okay, so if we write that one, 70 over 100, si May? 70%. 70 over 100. And then amount, we write here X. Because we don't know yet what is our amount. And then over, our base is 258. So how are we going to solve that one? We're going to cross multiply. X multiplied to 100. 258 multiplied to 70. Okay, Mai?
Okay.
Cross multiply, Bella. What is cross multiply? Cross multiply. Okay, so let's write here 100 and X. Si May? 100 times x. Okay. So we have here 100 and x. So if you're going to multiply 258 times
70.
70,ใช่ไหม?
Yes.
Okay. 258 times 70. เท่าไหร่?
200.
เท่าไหร่?
18,060.
Okay, so 18,060 over the ani 100, ใช่ไหม?
Yes.
Okay. We get 100 from here. This one is from here. 18,060 divided by 100. เท่าไหร่?
180.6.
Okay, very good. 180.6. That's why we get 180.6. So meaning here is 180. X is equal to 180.6. X is equal to 180.6. เข้าใจ? เข้าใจไหม?
Yes.
Okay, let's try the next one. Now, 216 is what percent of 360? Remember, we use the word of. Meaning, if we use this word, 360 is our base. So we're going to write 360 as our base. 216 is what percent of 360? So our amount here is 216. We're going to write here 216 on the amount. So we're looking for the percent. Percent, Yunay. What is percent? What is our percent here? Okay, cross multiply. Cross multiply. 216 times 100. 360 times P. ใช่ไหม?
Yes.
Okay, so let's write 360 P is equal to 216 times
100.
100. Okay, 216 times 100. Lalay.
21,600.
Okay, 21,600 over, what is our over? We're going to divide it into
360.
Chai. We're going to divide it into 360. Because 360 is our base. 360. Okay. 21,600 divided by 360.
60.
Okay, so that is why our answer is 60%.
50%.
So meaning P is equal to
60.
60. P is equal to 60%. Ano nga? 60. So this one is 60. Okay. Let's try the next one. 16% of what number is 80? When you can see is, meaning that's our amount. See may? So
Yes.
here, what is, meaning we're going to look for the amount here. That's why. What is? So here, we're looking for the amount. Amount, hinay. Okay. Oh, no. Base. We're looking for the base. Because we have here of what? Of what?
Teacher, number 3 is wrong.
Why?
ไม่ผิดผิดไงนะ
Wrong? Is it wrong? Number 3, love.
80 over x.
ถูกแล้ว
We're looking for the base. See may? 16% of what?
number.
Meaning what? What? Of what? Okay. So 80 is our amount. See may? Amount. 16 is our
percent.
percent. And then 100 is constant. If we're going to cross multiply, 100 times 80. X times 16. Okay, let's try. We're going to write 16 16x. May?
Yes.
16x. 80 times.
Times 100.
Okay, 80 times 100. First, do you understand?
Number 3, I don't understand, teacher.
Okay, it's okay. I will explain it again to you. 80 times 100.
8,000.
Alay.
8,000.
8,000. Are you sure?
8,000.
Yes.
Yes.
8,000.
Use calculator.
Over.
Over
16.
16.
6 over 16.
Teacher, I think I understand already.
Are you understand now?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
very good. Let's try 8,000 divided by 16. Alay.
500.
500. Meaning, x is equal to
500.
x is equal to 500. Our base, meaning our base is 500. Our base is 500. เข้าใจ?
เข้าใจ
First. Okay, let's try another one.
Teacher, understand.
Understand now? Easy, right? You're going to cross multiply. See may? Cross multiply. And then after that, you're going to divide. Okay, let's try this one. Okay. A school has a total enrollment of 800 students. Remember, we have here of. Meaning it's 800 is our
Days.
Days. Okay. A school has a total enrollment of 800 students. 20% of the students play a sport. How many do not play a sport? So, remember, do not. Okay. If there are 20% of the students play sport, how many students do not play? 20% students play sports. Question,
80.
how many students do not? Kalay?
80.
King Mac. So there are 80. If 20% play a sport, then 80% do not play a sport. So our percent here is 80. We're going to solve for 80. Okay. 80% of 800. If we do like this, now, so our base is 800, Shemai?
Yes.
Okay, let's solve. What's happened to you? Okay.
What is that?
My cat, so noisy. So we're looking for the amount. Shemai? We're looking for
Yes.
the amount. Now, cross multiply. 80.
80 times
80.
800.
Let's write first 100 because it has no number. Amount has no number. 100
100x.
100x. Then 800 times.
800 times 80.
Okay, very good. 800 times 80. Solve this. 800 times 80. Walay.
64,000.
64,000. Nice way. Divided by.
Divided by 100.
Okay, this one. Divided by 100. Okay, 64,000 divided by 100.
640.
Okay, meaning our x is equal to.
640.
Okay, 640.
Teacher, I already understand.
Very good. Meaning there are 640 students that do not play sport. See, Mai? Oh. There are 640 students that do not play sports. What happened to my... Wait.
Your battery.
Running low.
Yeah. I'm sorry.
Running low.
Your battery is low.
Yes.
Yes.
Wait for me. I think it's okay now. So there are 640 students that do not play. Oh, what happened to my... Okay. Next one. Let's try the next one. Okay, everybody read.
There are 200 freshmen in a high school. 30% of them take Spanish. How many freshmen are
Enrolled.
enrolled in
Okay.
Spanish?
So there are 200 freshmen in a high school. 30% of them take Spanish. How many freshmen are enrolled in Spanish? Wait. Okay. So 200 is our base. There are 200 freshmen. Okay, so our base is 200. And then our percent is 30.
30%.
Okay, 30% of them take Spanish. How many freshmen are enrolled in Spanish? So we're going to have 100 times x, 200 times 30.
And 30.
Okay, let's write 100
X.
x is equal to 200 times
Times 30.
30. So 200 times 30. So like
6,000.
6,000. 6,000 divided by 100. 100.
60.
From here, right? Okay.
Yes.
60. Meaning x is equal to
60.
60. Meaning there are 60 students who are enrolled in
Spanish.
Spanish. There are 60 freshmen who are enrolled in Spanish. 60. Easy.
Easy.
Easy. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, let us read. An algebra class
An algebra class
contains
contains 30 students. 40% of the students in the class are girls.
girls.
How many boys are in the class?
Okay, so there are 40 students in the class. 40% of the students in the class are girls. But we're looking for the
Boy.
boys. Okay, how many boys are in the class? So if 40% of the class are girls, then 60% of the class are
Boys.
boys. Okay, so we're going to use 60. We're going to use 60. Okay. Cross multiply. 60 times 30, 100 times x.
X.
Okay, 100
X.
x is equal to
30 times 60.
30 times 60. Okay, 30 times 60. Wala.
1,800.
1,800.
Okay, 1,800 over
Over 100.
100. Okay, 1,800 divided by 100
18.
equals
18.
18. X is equal to
18.
18, meaning there are 18 students. There are 18 boys in the
In the
class.
class.
Okay. So if we deduct 30 minus, there are 30 students, am I? There are
Yes.
30 students. So if we're going to deduct 30 minus 18,
Equal 12.
Okay. So meaning there are 12
12 girls,
girls. 12 girls and 18
18
boys.
boys.
Okay. Question?
No.
No question for now. Okay. The first thing that we need to do for word problem is to understand
The
the
problems.
Right. The first thing that we need to do for the word problem is we're going to understand the problem so that we can solve. Okay. Just don't forget amount over base, percent
Percent
over.
over 100.
Okay. Question.
No.
Questions. Don't worry, next time we're going to do it again.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Teacher Yin.
โอเค นักเรียนได้ยินครูชัดไหมคะ
ชัดค่ะ
นักเรียนวันนี้จริงๆในตารางขวางมันมีแบบฝึกในแบบฝึกหัดแล้วก็